Hey, what's up? Check it out. So, I'm going to show you how to fold a dollar bill into a paper crane without cutting it. First, you want to take and fold a triangle in this, just like that. Then you want to fold it at the bottom of the triangle. Make sure it lines up with the side, like so. Then at the very tip of the triangle, you want to fold it. I go downwards first. That way it helps mark where it's at, just like that. And then fold it in actually, on that spot. So it should look like this so far. Then what you want to do is right where this fold is, fold this inwards towards the top until it lines up. Now what you should be able to do is fold this back into a triangle as so. So we haven't cut this yet or anything, and we're not going to. So once it's folded into a triangle, you want to open it back up, flip it, and fold it into a triangle the opposite direction. Just like that. You want to do this again, then in half, and in half one more time. Now what you want to do is take the dollar and open it up, fold one end in towards the corner, and you'll see a crease in here from where you folded it before. Stop there, fold down. Do this for each corner so you have it like this, but only fold up till your crease about right there. Do this for all four corners. Alright, so once you have that done, then what you can do is grab it from the back like so, and you're going to push in. When you push in, you'll be able to pinch this, and just go kind of like this, and then grab the other side and do the same thing. Just pinch it there, and kind of meet these up in the center as best you can. When you do that, you'll be able to fold these other ones down, and your folds should stay. And you can kind of almost just mash this for real. It kind of works like that, because it'll usually just come out pretty decent anyways, but you can follow it up with your fingers. Okay, so once you've gotten that all folded, you can actually grab it and straighten out anything you need to, kind of like this. Folding over, push. Fold over, push. So you should have something like this. Once you've done that, you want to fold it flat one direction, fold this side down, flip it completely over 180, fold the other side down. Now you want to take and open this back up, just like that. And make sure on this that you've got a decent crease on there somewhere. Fold this side down. And then lastly, this side down. Now, you want to flip that completely around, open it one more time, as such, and the back piece, I'm going to take and grab it at the tip, pull out, and squeeze. Then what you want to do is grab the front part, pull out about halfway from where you did the other one, squeeze. Push the tip down like this, push in on it, crimp, pull up, and then you can spread this like this, and you have made yourself a dollar bill paper crane that you didn't have to cut. Thanks for watching.